Hi everyone, my name is Cindy and I have some fabulous dupes for you today. This is one of my favorite collaborations, so let's see what I'm making today. Dupe number 1, a white ribbed vase. A white ribbed vase is a staple piece for most homes. This is actually a light fixture that I purchased from Mosaic. It is a resale store that I frequent. I like the textured lines of this glass piece, and it is similar to Allura low wide cream vase from Crate and Barrel. So the supplies you need are very minimal. A light fixture that resembles a vase, a top from a candle holder, some white matte Rust-Oleum paint, and I also use some white chalk paint, hot glue, but you don't need it, and some dried or faux florals. And there's a possibility that you could put real florals in here. You can insert a glass from the bottom and then put your florals from the top. This is so easy, and all you need to do is clean it thoroughly. In fact, I put mine in the dishwasher and hope for the best. I didn't know if the frosted white part would come off, but it didn't. It came out fabulously. The light fixture is narrow on one end and wide on the other. I closed in the larger end using a top from a candle that I received some time ago. I spray painted it matte white, and because it had a few suction rings, it will stay into place. And I let it dry for a couple of hours while I did something else. But then I came back and painted some white chalk paint on it because it still was coming through as a little bronze, because that's the color it was previously. However, you can glue it as well. And then I put faux florals in it, or you can put dried sticks for the fall, and it looks stunning. This is something that can be used all year round. So let me know what your thoughts are. Now, mine costs $1.50, and the one at Crate and Barrel costs $98.95. So, oh my, can you imagine the savings? And I think a lot of times people don't look in light fixtures for vases. So now that is something that you can do. It works out really cool. The dupe is a challenge, but it's a fun challenge. So check it out. The Look for Less special host today is Zulag and CJ DIY. A special guest is OK at Home. These women are amazing, and you will not be disappointed. So be sure to subscribe, like, and save, and comment on their channels. The listing of their channels is in the description box below. Others have made dupes that are wonderful too, me being one of them. Therefore, be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels too. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. Well, now, if you've made it up to this point, yay! Let me know by making a comment or giving me a thumbs up. Dupe number 2, a silver bowl. The supplies needed include a plastic bowl from Dollar Tree, and this I purchased several years ago when it was only $1. Some silver Rust-Oleum spray paint, black acrylic paint, some bendable twigs, some faux butterflies. I just cut them out of paper and sprayed them gold. Hot glue and a toothbrush for paint only. Now, I got this bowl from Dollar Tree, and I just like the shape of it because it resembled on something I saw on Perigold. It was gorgeous, and of course it does not touch the beauty of the real thing, but it mimics the possibility. I sprayed the bowl silver because I wanted to be able to put candy or flowers on the inside. So I sprayed only the outside. The inside is just plastic. On the outside, I used a toothbrush to flick black speckles to give it kind of a metal appearance. Then I had a faux bendable branch to put halfway around the bowl, like the piece from Perigold that I was duping. Then I placed approximately 5 faux butterflies that are on the branches. Now the real metal bowl has ginkgo on the branches, but I thought butterflies looked very similar, so I put those on. Now, you can put candy, flowers, or other trinkets inside, and there you have it. So, how much did my bowl cost? Somewhere between $2.50 and $3, and that is pushing it. How much did the dupe cost? $460. Wow, what a savings. Of course, these are for me, and I do not sell my dupes. I may give it to you, but I don't sell it to you because it's not ethical for me to do anything like that. And now for our last dupe is a gold photo frame, and this is also a Perigold dupe. This is amazing, I think anyway. So you have to let me know what you think. I don't know about you, but I love a beautiful photo frame to show off my gorgeous family, of course, or a quote or painting. The supplies needed include one Dollar Tree picture frame. Mine is 5x7, and I think the one that I'm duping was 8x10 or something like that, so it's a little bit bigger. Some white stones, and these are from Dollar Tree. Some bright gold Rust-Oleum spray paint, E6000 glue, and a picture of your choice. That is it. This is so simple. Now, I used a plastic frame from Dollar Tree to make this dupe. So don't worry about the color of the frame because it is going to be painted in the end. However, it does not need to be flat on the front of the frame. I removed the glass and the cardboard backing and set them aside. And I used only one bag of small white rocks, and I glued them, yes, one at a time, all around the frame, making sure there were no big gaps. Here's the thing, you basically have to do them one at a time, and you have to use E6000. I don't like to use hot glue because the rocks need to be permanent. And sometimes with hot glue, as time goes on, it falls off. So I did not want any of the rocks to fall off the frame. So I use E6000 for longevity. After I glued the stones onto the front of the frame, I sprayed it bright gold Rust-Oleum. Then I turned it over. I put a few stones on the easel part and above that. And then I sprayed that whole backing gold. After it was dry, I put a picture inside, glass back, and the easel backing on the frame. And I just put a picture to display. However, you can put a quote or anything of your choice that may be used. Now, I love this frame, and it only cost me $4.50. Can you believe that? I think it's just gorgeous. $4.50. The rocks cost $1.25. The frame $1.25. And the E6000 I already had on hand, but you can say I used $1 worth. Spray paint, already had that on hand. I would say I used maybe $1 worth. And so equals to be $4.50. Believe it or not, the photo frame was $1,998. Wow, I think that is a big savings. So let me know what you think about this. I think I did a great job with my dupes, but you might have something else you would like for me to do. You can just let me know. Well, that is all, Z9 Design family. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment. And I sincerely want to thank you. Keep watching and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And give me a thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. And keep subscribing because I will have a giveaway soon. It might be one of my DIYs. You never know. And maybe you could choose which one it is. So today, I am highlighting birch and brie charcuteries and custom wood boards. A true culinary art and love for food. They use birch, maple, fire elder, walnut, willow, and more for their charcuterie boards. And let me tell you, the food is outstanding. So check them out. It is custom made in Indiana. And remember, to love another person is to see the face of God. This is from Victor Hugo. Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.